I just need to simplify this. So this one is basically log. This is 2 times 2 times 2, that will make 8 is 10. And we have log 4 base 10 is 2 times 2 is 10. So I can write this one as log 2 raised to power 3, since you have 2 in 3 places, base 10 over this one 2 places. You have log 2 raised to power 2 base 10. So what is this? By law of logging, I say that log m raised to power p is that p log m. So this one can be written as 3 log 2 base 10 over 2 log 2 base 10. So in this situation, if you have this, then you know that if 3 log 2 base 10 is divided by 2 log 2 base 10, so this one can now cancel out. This one can cancel this, then I will be left with 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is definitely going to be my answer. So if I come here now, option A can never be, option B can never be, option C, that correlates to what I have, which is 3 over 2. So I will just circle this, and this will definitely be my answer to that particular question. Then the next question says that if it is given that 5 raised to power x plus 1 plus 5 raised to power x equals to 150. The question has said then the value of x equal to, so the question asks us to find the value of x when we have this case. So in this situation we are having 5 raised to power x plus 1 plus 5 raised to power x equals to 150. Then I can simplify this. Then this one will be 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 1. That's the only condition that you can have this by law of what? Indices. Plus 5 raised to power x equals to 150. You know, say, then this one can now be, let 5 raised to power x be equals to y, for example. Then I will have 5 times, so this one will be y. So this one will be y times 5 plus y equals to 150. So I have what? I have 5y plus y equals to 150. So 5y plus y, that's going to be 6y equals to 150. So what am I doing? I'm looking for y. So divide both sides by 6. I divide it by 6. I also divide 150 by 6. 6 can cancel this. Then I have y equals to 3 here 2, 3 here 50, 2 here 1, 2 here 25. So my y then equals to 25. Is it y that I'm looking for? No, I'm looking for x. But I have made an assumption here that 5 raised to power x equals to y. So that means I will come back to this place and say 5 raised to power x equals to y. Then when y is equals to 25, it means 5 raised to power x equals to 25. Then I have 5 raised to power x. I want to express this one to the same base as this. I have 5 raised to power 2. Then by equating the base, this one cancel out this. Then you have x equals to 2. So my x is 2. So I go to my option and look for where I will have my x to be equals to 2. So that will definitely correlate with option D, which I have my x equals to 2. Question number 10 says that simplify 10 raised to power 2 plus log 5 raised to base 10. So we also simplify 10 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 10. In this situation, if you look at this expression, we discover that this one involves log reading, but this one does not involve log reading. So what we need to do first is to simplify and convert this. We transform this to what? Log reading. So the first thing we do here is, what is this? So we have 100. 10 squared is 100 plus log 5 base 10. And since we are operating based on log to base 10, so if I want to change this 100 to logarithm, all I just need to do is to say 100 log 10 base 10, because log 10 base 10 is 1. So 1 times 100 will definitely be 100. So this one can be written as 100 log 10 base 10 plus log 5 base 10. So what do I do next? Then I transfer this to this side. So I have log 10 raised to power 100 is 10 plus log 5 is 10. So what is the next thing? Log of the same base, and there is addition, so you can multiply them. So you have log to base 10 of 5 times 10 raised to power 100. So this is what you have. So when you go to your option, you don't have a particular expression for this, because this is the simplified part of what we have. So let's go to our option. Go to our option. Option A is 500. No. Option B is 2 log 5 is 10. No. Option C is 10. No. Option D 25. No. Option E, none of the above. So since this cannot be found in option A to D, then the answer will definitely be none of the above. So automatically none of the above, which is E, will be the answer. Then the next question, we have root 2 over root 3 minus root 2 minus root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2. In this situation, we have a minus here. So the first thing we are going to do here is to find the LCM. The LCM will definitely be root 3 minus root 2. Then I have root 3 plus root 2. That's what I'm going to have as the LCM. Then how many of these will I see here? I will see this. Because this one will cancel this and be left with this. So what I do next is, what do you have here? So it will be this times this. So I have root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. Then what is the sign here? Minus. Okay. How many of these will I see here? This one will cancel this. This one will cancel this, and I will be left with this. What do I have here? Root 3 minus root 2. So this one will cancel this, then I will be left with root 3 minus root 2 in a bracket. Then I have, what do I have here? That's root 3 minus root 2. That's what I'm going to have, because this in this one will cancel this, and I will be left with this. I use this to multiply this, so I write it this way. Then this times this, that is root 6. This time this plus root 4 minus, let's open this first. This time this, that is root 9. This time this minus root 6. This time this minus root 6. This time this plus root 4 over this time this root 9. This time this plus root 6. This time this minus root 6. This time this minus root 4. Then here I have root 6. Root 4 is plus 2 minus, I have root 9 is 3 minus root 6 minus root 6, that's minus 2 root 6. Then root 4 is what? 2. I have this. Then over Root 9 is what? 3. Plus root 6 minus root 6, if you cancel out. Minus, what is this? Root 4, that is 2. Then now, let me simplify what I have here. So I have root 6 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2, 5 minus 2 root 6 over 3 minus 2, 1. So I have, let me now open this. I have root 6 plus 2 minus times 5 minus 5 minus times this plus 2 root 6. I have over 1. Then now this plus this, root 6 plus 2 root 6, that is 3 root 6 plus 2 minus 5 minus 3 over 1. Then I have 3 is common to this. I can factorize 3 out. Then I have root 6 minus 1. So divided by 1. So eventually I will have 3 root 6 minus 1. Then 3 into brackets, 3 into brackets, root 6 minus 1. So the answer will definitely be 3 into bracket root 6 minus 1. So I go to my option and see what the one that will correlate to that. A, no.